easy. Oh no! Our table! It's broken!
I wanted to deck my table, not wreck my table. Yeah, stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
So I hope you guys were just about as excited as I was about that Christmas intro. But yeah, no, this is my first Vlogmas video ever. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I turned my ordinary kitchen table into this beautiful festive ensemble. So yeah, let's get started. So you can get your tablecloth from pretty much anywhere. I got mine from Dollar Tree and it's red with white snowflakes, and I thought it was really cute. And I just want to make sure that it's even, so that way it's not uneven, hanging on one side than the other. Next, I'm going to take my emerald green table runner that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put that right in the middle. And then I'm going to take my placemats from, you guessed it, Dollar Tree. I'm going to take 4 of those and place them on all 4 of those corners. Now these are called red plastic chargers on the Dollar Tree website, but I'm going to take those and place them in the middle of each placemat. So for these actually came in a set. It's a plate, saucer, bowl, and mug, and they all came from Royal Seasoned Stoneware. I'll be sure to put the links to everything in the description. But yeah, I'm just gonna place that in the middle, plate, saucer, bowl. And then I'm gonna sit the mug on the inside. And you can get these from CV Linens. They're 95 cents. You're gonna put your index finger in the middle and then pull it through, fold it under, and then set it in the mug. So I got these from Dollar Tree too, but not this year. So you know how they rotate the products out each year for Christmas? I got these maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And then these have been running in the family for like ever. And then I'm gonna take that and sit it right there on that little plate. And next up are these adorable golden little glitter candles that I got from Dollar Tree. They have a switch on the bottom, so you can either leave them on or turn them off. I'm gonna drop it right there in the glass and then do the same for the rest of the table. So fun fact, this silverware set is actually my mother's. I'm not sure where she got it, but they do have a similar set. I think it's like 75 or 77 pieces from Swiss Colony. I'll be sure to add the link. And as for the silverware, I'm taking the salad spoon and putting it on the right on the outside, and then taking my dessert spoon and putting it on the inside. And then on the left, I have my dinner fork and knife. The fork is on the inside, and then the knife is on the outside. And next up, we have our handy dandy Nutcrackers. One's green and one is blue. I'm putting one on the right and one on the left. And then I'm going to take my golden charger plate from Dollar Tree and put that smack dab in the middle of the table. And you can use any small Christmas box for this next step, but I'm going to take that and set that smack dab in the middle of that plate, and then a Christmas wreath. and sit that right along the outside. Make sure to adjust the branches, and I'm going to use that box to prop up the little Christmas tree. Now I got this from Dollar Tree as well. You can wrap it in battery operated LED lights and sit it right on top of that Christmas box. And then finally, I'm going to take my Christmas peace sign and sit it right here in the center of the table between the two nutcrackers. And that is it. We're finished. I really hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Happy holidays!